Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're talking about what might just be the best large bicycle seat on the market, the MXMXK Comfort Wide Bike Saddle. If you've been struggling with discomfort during long rides or indoor cycling sessions, this product might be your game changer. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is its impressive size and thoughtful construction. At 10.6 inches long, 7.9 inches wide, and 3.5 inches high, it's designed to give you a much broader seating surface than standard saddles. That translates to better weight distribution and less pressure on your sit bones, which is crucial if you ride for extended periods. Let's talk about the build. The seat combines high-density memory foam and faux leather to deliver a soft yet supportive ride. The memory foam adjusts to your body shape and returns to its form after each use, meaning you're not stuck with a worn-out seat after a few months. The outer faux leather finish is not only water-resistant but also easy to clean, which is a real bonus if you're riding in unpredictable weather or using it on an indoor exercise bike. Now, what really sets this seat apart is its ergonomic design. The deep center channel runs along the middle of the saddle, reducing pressure on sensitive areas. This anatomical shaping helps improve blood flow and reduces numbness, making it an excellent option for both men and women. Whether you're commuting, cruising through the city, or grinding out a workout on your Peloton, this saddle is designed to enhance comfort and performance. The suspension system deserves a special mention. At the base, you'll find dual-spring suspension that works to absorb shocks and vibrations from rough terrain or high-intensity cycling. This feature minimizes impact on your lower back and spine, making your ride smoother and more stable, especially important for outdoor cyclists who deal with bumpy roads or trails. Installation is refreshingly simple. Thanks to the universal mounting system and quick-release clamp, you can swap out your old saddle with this one in just a few minutes. It fits most types of bikes, including mountain bikes, city bikes, stationary bikes, and indoor exercise bikes like the Peloton. So whether you're upgrading an old road bike or customizing your indoor setup, compatibility won't be a concern. What also stands out is the attention to detail. From the stitching to the padding density to the anti-slip surface, you can tell this seat is built with longevity and rider experience in mind. It's not a flashy product, but it's highly functional and beautifully crafted for those who value comfort over gimmicks. To wrap it up, if you're serious about making your rides more enjoyable, this is an investment worth making. The MXMXK Comfort Wide Bike Seat delivers where it matters most, in comfort, durability, and ease of use. No more saddle sores, no more shifting in your seat, and no more cutting rides short due to discomfort. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a breakdown of the best gear in the market. Ride safe and ride smart. See you in the next one.